the play.
Vick is rolling, looking, setting up, fires the football incomplete. Now the officials are blowing this dead. The Ravens are saying they have the football. This can't be. Vick did throw that ball, did he not?
Rolling on the field is a fumble.
The ruling on the field is a fumble.
They are calling this a fumble.
That's awesome.
Do you hear the absolute disbelief in Merrill's voice? They're calling this a fumble? Merrill's suddenly going, did the rules of football change? Can you do that? All right. And that led to all sorts of conversation. I think, Joe, is this part of the same one? It is. All right. Anyway, here's where they kept going on now about the refs. Listen to that.
After further review, there was video evidence that there was an incomplete forward pass.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello. Thank you.
You know, the guy that's
It will be fourth and goal. The ball will be placed at the
No, it
1
won't
yard
be
line.
fourth and goal. It'll be third and goal.
fourth and goal now.
Clock operator,
Third
please
and goal.
reset the game clock.
That was
1 minute
second, Mike.
and 57
It's got to be
seconds.
third.
1 5 seconds.
Third and goal.
Please tell this referee where he is.
It's got to be third and goal. Am I right?
Does he even know who's playing?
It is third and goal. Don't they understand anything? This is a travesty. Roger Goodell, do what you have to, but settle this thing. Get us real officials.
All right, I should point out, Roger will probably be calling Merrill directly today, and he
kidding.
probably will not be enthusiastic. The other thing that happened during this game, especially you know this best if you were there, were the incredible delays between the plays, and Merrill and Mike went off on that. Here's a little bit of this.
Why is this game being held up like that?
Because the officials don't know what they're doing.
See, here the Eagles come up with an interception, and they have momentum on their side, and the Ravens are on their heels.
Right.
And they hold the thing up for 5 minutes. All right, they spotted at the Ravens' 37-yard line.
Yeah, now they're going to hold them up again.
What now?
They just cannot take control of this game.
Boy, anyone who thinks...
Too many skirmishes, too much going on for these guys to handle.
Where are they moving it now?
They're moving the ball back again.
They've moved it back to the 42. At one point, it was inside the 35.
I'd say you take a shot down the field right here.
I think you should settle as quickly as possible with the real officials.
That's just gold. Absolute gold.
Do you hear the chaos?
It's gold.
All right, there's one more here, and this is Mel didn't know what he was watching. He couldn't believe his eyes.
Awesome.
He could not believe his eyes. And here is, after yet another delay, another conversation.
If they hold this up any longer, we're going to be playing Sunday Night Football. What are they waiting for?
They have more meetings.
The meetings I'd like to see would be taking place between the league and the real officials.
My goodness.
Wow.
I love Merrill.
Now, what I'm curious about, two things I'm curious about, and I'm very, is that Shirley, my girl there? Oh, wow. You were at the game, right, Cheryl? We'll get Shirley's thought for it. Because there was the great thrill of winning that game and the utter agony of having to go through what those officials were doing on the field. I say, I've never seen anything like it. Ever. And you could hear that Merrill, who has done these games for almost 40 years for the Eagles, the disbelief in his voice, it was amazing.
Yeah.
Merrill Reese could not believe his eyes.
Well, this is a travesty.
They can make the play-by-play guy and the commentator look bad because
Yeah.
you have to know every single rule and you have to
Oh, my
keep track
God.
of exactly where the ball should be.
Don't they understand anything?
All right, 888-7...
You're going to get Merrill in trouble.
Now, Rhea, he said it, and he should be proud.
Get us real officials.
He took a stand for the fans.
It's amazing.
888-729-9494. Please tell this referee where he is. Hey, all right, Joe, can I get the
These
numbers
guys
out here?
are awesome.
888-729-9494. That's your Xfinity voice line, or you can call us at pound 9494 on AT&T Verizon cell phones. We'll come back. We're dying to hear.